Welcome back to my YouTube channel MPV Auto. Please subscribe to my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow car enthusiasts, today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the all-new 2025 Honda Amaze, a vehicle that truly lives up to its name by delivering an exceptional blend of style, performance, and innovation. Let's embark on a journey to explore what makes this compact sedan a standout choice for drivers everywhere. From the side, blacked-out pillars and 15-inch alloy wheels enhance its dynamic profile. At the rear, split LED tail lamps with a chrome strip and a shark fin antenna provide a touch of elegance. These design enhancements make the Amaze look more premium and give it a commanding presence on the road. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious cabin that prioritizes comfort and convenience. The dual-tone dashboard exudes a premium feel, and at its center, an 8-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system awaits, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you connected on the go. The Amaze offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys a pleasure. Practical features like rear AC vents, an armrest with cup holders, and a generous 416-liter boot space make it perfect for family outings. Ambient lighting and soft-touch materials further elevate the cabin's ambience, ensuring every drive is a delightful experience. The infotainment system is complemented by a 6-speaker surround sound setup, ensuring an immersive audio experience. Additionally, Honda Connect offers over 37 smart features, including live tracking and remote vehicle operation, keeping you in control at all times. Under the hood, the Amaze features the trusted 1.2-liter IVTC petrol engine that delivers 90 PS of power and 110 Nm of torque. Drivers can choose between a 5-speed manual or a CVT transmission, catering to different driving preferences. Despite its peppy performance, the Amaze remains fuel-efficient, offering 18.65 km per liter for the manual and 19.46 km per liter for the CVT variants. With a ground clearance of 172 mm and a small turning radius of 4.7 meters, the Amaze is perfect for city driving and weekend getaways, handling tight corners and rough roads with ease. The 2025 Honda Amaze is available in 3 variants, V, VX, and ZX, with both manual and CVT transmission options. The starting price is 7.99 Indian rupees lakh, going up to 10.89 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. These introductory prices are for a limited time, so if you're interested, it's advisable to act swiftly. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to experience the 2025 Honda Amaze firsthand. It's truly a car that amazes.